Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with the FX Market Insight for Wednesday, the 27th of May. All right, as we come into through the North American session, into the Asian session for Wednesday, equity markets up 2%. Everything's looking pretty good. US dollar is taking a massive back seat, and I think this is potentially the start of a pretty good move. Now, these currencies aren't going to move in a straight line, but I can see the US dollar slowly, methodically dropping here. Currently the index is around 99, back towards 95. All right, that's what I'm sort of thinking at this stage. Now, why do I think that? Well, if you have a look at the technical side of things, okay, the currencies have started to move higher. Some of them are breaking through daily resistance lines as well as the short-term ones. So, to me, dollar yen doesn't give me much joy. I think euro is probably slower than other pairs, but it's ready for a move up towards 113. We've seen a 150-point move here yesterday on sterling. I think it's got about another 300 on the top side, ready to go. And dollar CAD for that matter as well, heading back towards, 135. So the dollar, there's no fresh news here around the coronavirus. Okay, so with this situation, I think it's going to be a massive rollback of the US dollar safe haven. There's systemic problems in the US with regards, the massive amount of debt they've got and everything else. I know everyone else has got debt, but as vaccines and everything rolls out, I think the safe haven trade will be rolled out across the board. And it's almost like the currencies are set up for a bit of a squeeze, but this is also factoring in a move through some daily trend lines. So just keep an eye on that. There's no fresh coronavirus news here. If anything, it's all flipped over to vaccine hopes and all those sorts of things. I haven't seen anything about an increase of infections. If that was happening, it would already be on the screen. So to me, the story now changes to China, what China's going to do with Hong Kong, and what the US is going to, if they're going to try and intervene and help Hong Kong. And it's part of China, so I don't know how they can do that, but stranger things have happened. So coming back to the major pairs, let's not get weird about things and think about too much global debt and all that sort of stuff. You can think too much about the economic side of things and you'll never get your head around anything. Focus on where the opportunities are and what's happening. To me, Euro, Aussie going up, Kiwis already heading up. If you're not long these pairs, you should be looking to get long, in my opinion. These are the medium-term targets. So you can see there's plenty of room to move. Sterling to me looks like the pair here that's ready to go and break through a daily trend line. I can see the next level is up to 129 the figure. So huge amount of opportunities here on a number of pairs. Dollar CAD also heading down towards 131. Now, it may seem a big call. These are medium-term targets. They're not like intraday, so don't sort of start emailing me telling me that I'm losing my marbles. This is what I'm expecting over the coming week or weeks. Okay, and that's I think we're seeing a build-up. So unless something geopolitically comes out to turn these moves around, I think they're in play, and that's where the opportunities lie. The analyst picks today, check out sterling. It's got a pretty good setup through a daily resistance line, and if we get any sort of news about the infection rate in the UK falling or whatever, that'll be the extra catalyst that will really push it up towards, I think, 125 over the coming days. All right, guys, that's it from me. Better trading conditions across the board. So tune up your charts and look for those opportunities. Cheerio.